It's a great occasion to be part of our country because we are going to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. And this 75th year as Independence Day has created a lot of achievements in terms of sports, especially in the Olympics. After so many years, we got an individual gold medal in athletics, and also we have got hockey with the bronze. So this is actually a year where our country, the entire people can cherish the moment of our great country, which is what we are today. Whenever we address the gathering during this Independence Day, we recollect which we have learned in our schools, that the contribution which great freedom fighters has done for our country to make our country independent and make our land for the Indians. I think this is where we always remember the great contribution which was done by the freedom fighters. Lot of lives were sacrifices, lot of struggles were happened during that time. So finally we were able to get out of from the hands of the British, and now when you look back the 75 years of our great journey of our country, I think we were spearheading in different areas, and I am sure in the coming years our country will be in the top in terms of economic development, in terms of the standard of living of our human, in terms of achievements. So the message for my student of our colleges is that yes, we all suffering, or we have suffered a lot because of COVID. Almost 2 academics here had a standstill situation where students can't come to campus as a whole. But now the entire world is completing their second dose of vaccine. I think our proud country also will be achieving within 1 month or 2 months, so that slowly the higher education institution will open up, so that campus life will be back. So we have to be optimistic, positive. Any difficulties when it comes in front of us as a human being, we have to overcome it. So this also we are overcoming. We had a lot of standstill occasions where the business were standstill. People were not able to move out, but slowly it is coming back. So let us be positive. Let this Independence Day celebration, along with that, I think we all expect this pandemic situation will get over and we will be back to our normal life where everyone's contribution will be counted in our country, and our country will be proud of that, and we achieve a lot of laurels, and we also achieve a lot of great things which the country, the entire world is looking at from India. So I wish all of you happy Independence Day. Let us be joyful, let us be great about our country. Also try to be at home, be safe, stay back and take care of yourself. And when this pandemic situation ends, I think the entire campuses will be back with a new way of learning. So we expect that all my students of the entire higher education system will come back to the campuses with a lot of energy and hope, and we also join with them to see that a new world is created for them. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day.